DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo results, variable aperture just ended ND filter drama.
Last week, I'm halfway up a snowy trail, golden hour fading fast, and my old action cam is either blowing out the sky or turning the forest into black soup, no in between. I actually yelled, "Come on," at a camera like it could hear me. Ever felt like your action camera is actively fighting your best shots? Drop same if you've ever lost the moment because of garbage exposure. That sinking feeling when the light is perfect, but your footage is trash? Overexposed highlights, crushed shadows, forced to carry a bag of ND filters like a pack mule? You start second-guessing every adventure because you know half the clips will be unusable. Imagine if you could just point, shoot, and actually get cinematic 4K every single time without extra gear or stress. Then I slapped the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo on my helmet. First run down the mountain at noon, flicked to f4.0, perfect motion blur, no ND filter, snow sparkling like diamonds. Sunset surf session, f2.0, swallowed the light, colors popped like a cinema camera. One travel vlogger I was shooting with almost missed his flight because he wouldn't stop filming. He shot vertical for Reels and horizontal for YouTube from the exact same clip, thanks to the 1/1.1-inch square sensor. 2 extreme batteries plus the charging case gave him 4+ hours of continuous 4K, and he still had 22% left when we got back to the car. The footage looked so good, he whispered, "This is cheating." Everyone's losing their minds for the same reasons. A well-known ski cinematographer told me the variable aperture alone saved him 40 minutes a day. No more stopping to swap filters. Tech reviewers are calling the low-light performance borderline unfair. One motovlogger said he finally deleted his entire ND filter collection after one ride. My own clips from Iceland last month have more detail in the shadows than my mirrorless ever gave me. The only pushback I hear is, "But it's not GoPro." Then they see the side-by-side and immediately order the enhanced combo. That's exactly why thousands of creators are making the switch right now. Which feature would save your shots first? Variable aperture or the square sensor magic? Tell me below. So imagine your next adventure and every single clip is ready to post. No color grading marathons, no regrets, just pure stoke. Thousands of bloggers, skiers, surfers, and moto creators have already upgraded to the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo, and they're never going back. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure, click it, grab yours before stock runs dry again, and thank me when your next sunset clip makes your friends jealous. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your footage today.